Hey everybody, it's Brian. Today I want to talk about what my clients want. What my clients want is for somebody to help their business in the insurance restoration industry in their market to be able to gain approved insurance for their claims that they have currently. And how I can get them there and help them is to get in the trenches with them, go out to their jobs, do a detailed property inspection, collect over 100 to sometimes 300 photos, good photos, photography, drone photography, video recordings as well, documentation collecting of codes in your jurisdiction. Also, I will be collecting any material, manufacturer information, sending things out to ITEL. Then going back to my office, writing up an Xactimate estimate, a true estimate, one completely different than the lowball Xactimate estimate that you receive from your adjuster. You definitely don't want to accept that. And I'll send out my Xactimate estimate with the strategy that my clients and I come up with to win the game. And that's how we will accomplish this task over and over and over, multiple times for my clients. And they love it because the amount of money that I get them to be able for them to do their job, and they're able to start their jobs faster, get their materials ready, get their crews ready. They're able to not worry about cash flow as much as they are if they're just doing the simple supplementing game. They got to worry about financing the job, buying the materials, paying their crews, paying their office staff. So I also help my clients get the depreciation released as soon as the contract is signed with their customer. So if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. I'd love to answer any questions. You could send a message to me, and I'd love to talk to you and see if I can help you. Thank you.